Good morning, students. You all know we have completed chapter 1. Let us do a quick revision of chapter number 1, that is large numbers. Here you can see Indian place value chart. Here 4 periods are shown in different colors. The ones period in pink color, thousands period in yellow, lakhs period in purple, and crores period in sky blue. Now these periods are divided into places. The ones period is divided into 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period is divided into 2 places, thousands and 10,000. Lakhs is divided into lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crores is divided into crore and 10 crore. You can see one example, that is 521,05,747. Now in Indian system, we put commas as 3, 2, 2. It means starting from right side, we will count 3 digits. That is 747. Then put comma. Then again 2 digits. Then put comma. Then again 2 digits. So this way we will put the commas in Indian place value system. Now let us read the number. 5 crore 21 lakh 5,747. In this we will not add any s. See, if we tell 5 crores, it is not crores, it is 5 crore. Then 21 lakh 5,747. Let us see international place value chart. Now this place value system, it is used in other countries. What we learned previous, that is used in our India. So it was Indian place value system. This is used in other countries, that is international place value chart. Here you can see 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and millions. All these periods, it has 3 places in it. Ones has ones, tens and hundreds. Then thousands has 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And millions has million, 10 million and 100 million. So it is slightly different from our Indian place value system. You can see the difference between Indian and international system. In Indian system, here 4 periods are shown, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. But in international system, ones, thousands and millions. So if you can see, after 10,000, we read it as lakhs. But in international system, it is read as 100,000. 10 lakhs means 1 million. Crore means internationally it is 10 million. And 10 crore means 100 millions. Now let us see how to find the place value. The number is 2385. Now 5 is at ones place. So we will multiply by 1. That is 5 ones are 5. 8 is at tens place. So 8 tens are 80. 3 is at hundreds place. So 3 into 100 it is 300. And 2 is at thousands place. So 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. So these all are place values. Now let us see how to write a number in expanded form. You already know, we have already done. Yes. So first start with the first digit, that is here 8. Write 8 and after that count the digits after that. So we have here 6 digits. So put 6 zeros after 8. Then a addition sign. Then take next digit, that is 7. Now after 7 we have 5 digits. So add 5 zeros after the 7. Then again put addition sign. Then the next digit is 5. After 5, if we will count, we have 4 digits. So add 4 zeros. Then after 5, we have 0. Then no need to write 0 because 0's place value is here, it is 0 only. Now, after 0, it is 2. After 2, 2 digits are there. So we will put 2 zeros after 2. Okay, I hope you all understood the expanded form. Thank you.